How to enable private browsing mode on YouTube. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your YouTube application on your device. Once you open up this application, you'll be able to see the home page like this, from where you'll be able to browse various YouTube videos. So in order to enable private browsing mode, you need to tap on your profile option in the right upper corner. Right after tapping on that, you'll be able to see the various options. Also, you'll be able to see turn on incognito option. So you need to know that enabling private browsing mode means turning on YouTube incognito mode. So you have to simply tap on turn on incognito. And by doing that, whatever you search over here or see won't be available on your real ID. The history also won't be set. Your watch history and search history also will be paused and it won't remain. This is how you enable private browsing mode on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.